how to use Google Analytics for Google Ads. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use Google Analytics for Google Ads. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to use Google Analytics for Google Ads, what you have to do is first link your Google Ads to Google Analytics. So to do that, you have to just open up the Google Analytics website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to click on the gear icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then you have to scroll down until you see product links. Then click on Google Ads links. Here, you have to click on link. Here, you have to link your Google Ads by clicking on choose Google Ads accounts and by fulfilling below requirements. After doing that, you have to go back to the report section of Google Analytics. Here, click on real time and you will be able to see real-time Google Ads reports. You can also track the performance of your different ads by clicking on business objectives like generate leads, drive online sales, and many more things like that. So that's how you can use Google Analytics for Google Ads. That's all for this video.